Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to break apart my beauty subscriptions. So I'm going to show you guys what I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Such a long name. I figured I would just separate it because a lot of people don't sign up for, well, they kind of sign up for either or. They either sign up for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or they just sign up for the $10 subscriptions, whether it's Birchbox. Well, actually Birchbox is a little bit more, take that back. Whether it's actually just Ipsy, Sephora, the allll, or which other boxes are out there that are just $10. So this box retails for $25 and offers free shipping. You get 5 full-size products. And one thing that I actually learned this month is that you can pick one item that you want to for sure have in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or your Ipsy bag, or it's just either or. So I'm not sure if that's new, but I thought that was pretty cool that you can actually pick one item for sure that's going to be in those subscriptions, so that way not everything is a complete fail. Alright, so getting into this month's theme, it is bare yourself. So most likely, looking at the picture, they're wanting to speak about, you know, natural beauty or highlighting your natural features, stuff like that. Well, that's what I think of when I see the picture. Alright, so for the first thing that we're going to start off, which I'm actually pretty excited because I was kind of going to pick this up, but glad I didn't, is the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Volume 2. So it has some eyeshadow products right here in the top row, and then it has the Mary Luminizer highlighter, and then it has their bronzer, and then it has their blushes. So I actually don't know anything from the Balm, so I'm pretty excited that I got this in my Ipsy bag. Alright, so that is what the eyeshadows look like. This one's kind of like my skin tone. You can barely see it. And then that's the highlighter, the bronzer, and the blushes. So I'm really excited to try this out. The highlighter seems it's going to be a little bit too cool tone for me, but I'm going to have to try it out to see for sure. And this normally retails for $32. So this alone is already paying for your box and more. Now the next thing that we received that I'm actually pretty excited about as well is some brushes. I really enjoy receiving brushes just because that is one thing that I fail to pick up. Even though that I'm still out there purchasing eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, and blushes. So it comes with 5 brushes, what it seems like an eyeliner brush, a flat synthetic brush, a small crease fluffy brush, a pencil brush, and as well just your flat tapered brush. And then these are from the brand Farrah, which we have received brushes from them before. I think I've received a bronzer powder, and it was decent, it wasn't bad. And then this little packet of brushes, retails for $50. I would say no. I would say these brushes kind of feel like, you know, a little cheapy. I would say I would probably pay no more than $12 for this set. So I guess I'm glad I got it, you know, for free through Ipsy. Now the next thing that we have here is a Purlisse Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF of 30. Now this unfortunately states that it's for normal to dry, even sensitive skin. So this most likely it's not going to be, it's not going to be oil skin friendly. Or I don't know, it has that light consistency of a sunscreen. That smells pretty good too. So once I end up using up the 2 sunscreens that I have open right now, then I'll definitely give this a try, seeing what my thoughts are about it. If not, you can never go wrong with just having SPF products, because you know you need SPF in your life. And then this moisturizer retails for $45. Now the next makeup item that we received is from the brand Suva Beauty. It's the Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. These are most likely, they're like the, what are they called? Well, I've tried these. I've tried illuminating drops before. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, this thing is bright. I really need to start using these illuminating drops that I have already. So I should probably start, you know, putting it on my skin and stuff. Just being extra. So that's really pretty. So these drops normally retail for $26. Alright, so I am mad at that. That looks cute. I really need to start using these illuminating drops. So really excited about that. Now for the last skincare item that we received is from the brand allll, and it's a hydrating cream mask. Now I actually really do enjoy the brand allll. I have their hand lotion. Oh, and it does wonders for my dry skin. So this states that is a rich, creamy texture, softens and smooths skin, providing intense hydration and comfort. Apply once or twice a week, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes, or you can leave all night. So of course, this is if you have dry skin. It doesn't feel as thick. It smells just like your typical lotion, but yeah, the mask isn't as thick as I anticipated. So this is going to be perfect for me to use during wintertime because that is when your girl is dry. Alright, so I'm going to leave the total retail of the box right here so that way you guys can see what was the total worth of these products. Now, I would say from the get-go, I'm actually pretty impressed with this month's box. I actually am going to enjoy all the products that I received, especially the brushes. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below if you are subscribed to Ipsy Glam Plus, or if you're subscribed to Ipsy, or if you're subscribed to none of them. I can't wait till I see what I receive in my other subscriptions. Again, I just wanted to separate them just because of the price difference, and the products that I receive are completely different. But if you guys want me to join them up all together, also definitely let me know down below. I do thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and as well click the notification button so that way you don't miss next upload. We'll see you on the next one.